of YouTube. So real quick, I'm pretty excited because I've always wanted to get into the world of thermal imaging. And so when DJI came out with the Mavic 2 Enterprise Dual, I was pretty excited because it's always something I wanted to do. I didn't want to spend $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 on a thermal imaging drone, and for me to either A, suck at it, which I might, or B, just not be interested in it. But when they came out with this at a $2,700 price point, I thought it was worth a gamble and gave DroneWorks a call and see if I could get one in there. Now, this isn't something I want to do like a hobby drone like I use with the Zoom or with the Mavic 2 Pro. I actually want to help my local law enforcement here. I do live in Washington State, so there are many situations for search and rescue that I can hopefully try to help them with. And it's something, I've always wanted to do. Now, thermal imaging for like roof inspections and whatnot is pretty cool. You see right here, you got the Mavic 2 Enterprise Dual with, it has the same attachments as the Mavic 2 Enterprise. Has a speaker attachment, which I have yet to mess with. But again, the speaker's not that big, but it's pretty loud. I've seen that with the Originaldobo's video. You also have the beacon, same accessories in there. My first take on it, the only complaint I can say I have about the drone is where the attachments go. This plastic piece is, again, really flimsy and it feels cheap. Now, mind you, this is where your attachments are going to go, so if you lose or break this, you can order some more. It does come with an extra one. The case it comes in, really nice. It's the same batteries as the Mavic 2 Zoomer series, and the only major differences is the camera, and on top of that, the major difference is going to be the platform in which it runs on. The Mavic Zoom and the Pro run off the Go 4 app, and then the Enterprise runs off the Pilot app. So in these next series of videos that I do, you're going to see, number one, myself learning, because again, I'm going into this just like anybody out there who's never used a drone like this. I've never used it. So I'm gonna kind of lean on Zach Davis from DroneWorks because he's done this. He's a licensed pilot and he does this for a living. I'm gonna utilize his knowledge to help me grow in this field, as well as the Originaldobo. His videos, his link is going to be in the description below. Phenomenal. I just checked out his last video, and just great. I haven't, again, dissected this drone yet. I literally just took it out of the case and said, hell, I'm making a video. Grabbed my battery from the other Mavic and popped it in and turned it on. And it's going to show you a couple things. Now, in the video coming up, I took a picture of my chair, and then I took a picture after sitting in the chair, and you can kind of see the difference of just after somebody sat there. It does have the estimated temperature of what of it there. I again took the screenshot. You can kind of see it's in Celsius. But I also put the light attachment on there. Now, the light attachment, there's a little icon up here. You just push it and it turns on. So you don't have to go on anything. So when you have an attachment, it's just going to pop up right there. And look, I push the button and boom, there it goes. Sorry to put the light in your eyes, but pretty cool, super bright. I'm not flying it today, sadly, because it's been snowing, raining, and slushing outside. So I'm not going to take this drone out there in that weather. But wanted to make this quick video. But again, I urge you to check out the Originaldobo. His video, his link will be in the description below. Guys, thanks for watching, and hopefully my journey can help bring knowledge to you guys and help you guys learn in the thermal imaging world as well. Thanks for watching, happy flying, and be safe. Take it easy, guys.